Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, question number 22. Discuss the continuity of the cos, cosecant, secant and cot function. Okay, here you have to discuss whether the function is continuous or discontinuous. Okay, here first you have to take question number 22. My function f of x is equal to cos x. Okay, here we can do this sum in two methods. Okay, here I am doing in method 1. Okay, here it is one more question. Okay, method 1, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to limit x tends to a. In the place of f of x, my function is cos x. Okay, here therefore in the place of x you have to substitute a, therefore cos a. Similarly, here f of a you have to substitute in the place of x, here it is x, therefore you have to substitute a, cos x. In the place of a you have to substitute a, therefore here both are equal. Okay, here finally you have to write limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a equal to cos a. Here it is these are equal, therefore here it is continuous. Okay, similarly method 2, here in the left hand limit x tends to a minus, okay, f of x, here limit x tends to a minus, here in the place of x, f of x, my function is cos x. Okay, therefore here in the place of x you have to substitute a minus h, because here it is left hand limit, therefore cos a minus h. Okay, finally you have to write limit h tends to 0, here cos a minus b. Okay, formula cos a cos b, here minus, here comes plus. Okay, sin a sin b, substituting h tends to 0. Okay, here limit h tends to 0, therefore cos a, here cos 0. Okay, while applying limit you should not put the limit here, therefore sin a sin 0, cos 0 here 1. Okay, here sin 0, see here sin 0 0, cos 0 1. Okay, cos 0 1, sin 0 0, 0 into anything, here it is 0, therefore cos a. Here limit x tends to a minus, here it is f of x is equal to cos a. Okay, similar to here the same answer cos a. Okay, here you can do in general form, otherwise applying left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of a, here also it comes same, therefore here it is similarly continuous. Okay, next here my function f of x is equal to, I am taking here it is method 1 and method 2. Okay, here f of x is equal to cosecant x. Okay, here I am doing in method 1. Okay, you understood na in method 2. Similarly you have to do. Okay, here method 1, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to limit x tends to a. In the place of f of x we have to substitute cosecant x. Again here in the place of x you have to substitute the value of x. Here x is equal to a, therefore cosecant a. Okay, next f of a is equal to cosecant x. In the place of x you have to substitute the value of a, therefore cosecant a. Here also it is equal, therefore finally you have to write limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a equal to cosecant a. Cosecant a is nothing but 1 by sine. Okay, here if you take 0, sine 0, here it is 1 by 0, therefore 1 by 0 is infinity, therefore here it is meaningless, therefore here you have to take it is continuous. Okay, here it is continuous but except at x is equal to n pi. Okay, if you put 0 sine 0 0, if you put pi sine pi 0, sine 2 pi 0, sine 3 pi 0, up to sine n pi, here it is 0, therefore here if you take a, here if you take any value then here it will become infinity, therefore except this point here it is continuous. Okay, I hope you are understood. Next, f of x is equal to secant x. Okay, for secant x you have to find. Similarly method 1, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to limit x tends to a. In the place of f of x, here my function is secant x. Here in the place of x you have to substitute the value of a, secant a here, therefore f of a is equal to secant x is equal to secant a, therefore here it is equal. Finally you have to write limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to limit x tends to, okay, f of a equal to secant a, therefore here secant is nothing but secant a is equal to 1 by cos. Okay, here cos 90, okay, cos 90, here it is 0, for here it is sine 0 0, okay, sine 0 0, but here cos 90, here it is 0, therefore cos 90 is nothing but pi by 2, pi by 2 equal to, if you cancel here it is 90. Okay, cos 90 0, therefore it is continuous except at a is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, because here if you take n has 0, 0 into anything 0, 1, pi by 2, here it is 0. Next if I am substituting 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 pi by 2, here it is 0. Okay, for odd numbers here it is 0. Okay, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. Here it is cos is 0. Therefore, except a is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here it is continuous. Similarly, for f of x is equal to cot x. Okay, here cot is similar to cos x by sin x. Here similar to cosecant. Okay, you have to treat like that. Okay, here method 1 you can do in method 2. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. I will detailedly do in method 2 also. Okay, if you need. Okay, here limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to limit x tends to a. In the place of f of x, here I want to substitute cot x. Therefore, here it is cot a. Okay, similarly f of a is equal to cot a. Okay, therefore here it is equal. Finally you have to write it is limit x tends to a cot x. Okay, my function f of x is equal to f of a equal to cot a. Therefore here it is continuous, but here cot का मतलब here cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. Okay, here in the denominator sin x, if you substitute 0, sin 0, 0, then infinity, sin pi infinity, sin 2 pi up to n pi, here also it is infinity. Therefore similarly you have to take for cosecant, we can take now the similar terms you have to take. Okay, here it is continuous except at a equal to n pi. Similarly you have to write here it is continuous my function, but except a equal to n pi. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 22. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. धन्यवाद.